Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure HandBrake for batch transcoding for YouTube, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, download and install HandBrake from the official website if you haven't already. Once installed, launch the HandBrake application. You will see the main interface of HandBrake, where you can add your video files. To set up batch transcoding, click on the Open Source button. In the File dialog, navigate to the folder containing your videos. Select the first video you want to convert and click Open. HandBrake will analyze the file and display its information. Next, choose your desired output settings. In the preset drop-down on the right, select a preset tailored for YouTube. The fast 1080p 30 or very fast 720p 30 presets are commonly recommended for YouTube uploads. Under the Summary tab, you can further customize the output format if needed. Ensure that the container is set to MP4. Next, navigate to the Video tab. Set the video codec to H.264x264 for optimal compatibility with YouTube. Adjust the quality setting using the constant quality slider. A value of 20 provides good quality without excessively large file sizes. If desired, you can also enable Web Optimized to improve streaming performance. Now, to set up batch processing, look for the Add to Queue button. Click it after confirming the settings for your first video. Repeat this process for each additional video you want to transcode. With all videos added to the queue, navigate to the Queue tab. Here you can review all the videos you've added. Ensure the output settings are consistent across all files. When you're ready, click the Start button to begin transcoding. HandBrake will process each video in the queue sequentially. You can monitor progress in the bottom status bar. Once complete, your transcoded files will be located in the destination folder specified in the settings. You are now ready to upload your videos to YouTube. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.